definitely this is a great session. I really enjoyed. It's more of interactive. We don't even know 3 hours gone like anything. And by doing those activities, we do a lot of brainstorming. And actually, currently I'm in a break, but I can imagine the classroom setup and how the way we have to do the stations and the way you bring up with so many ideas, and in a very simple way you have instructed all those things very clearly, specifically what is cement, what is not. Everything is good. Great session and good getaway. Earlier, I was little hesitated to join in an online course, but I never thought it would be like this open and very flexible. I'm very comfortable with the session. First of all, to speak with everyone as well as you. Great, great, ma'am.